Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In today's video, we will learn on how to block OneDrive. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. First, go to your taskbar. Normally, your OneDrive icon should be here. If you can't find it here, tap on this up arrow. And here it is, tap on it. Then tap on the settings icon which is on the top right corner. Now tap on settings. Then tap on account which is on left navigation panel. And under this account section, there's a button that says unlink this PC. Tap on it. Now to block OneDrive, all you gotta do is tap on this unlink account button. And here it is, we have successfully blocked OneDrive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from our channel, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.